Everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you're wondering what happened to that video that I had up there about the donations, well, I accidentally deleted it. But anyway, we're back and the donations started rolling in, and so what we did was we got the gravel brought in. Some of it is pretty coarse, but we're really hoping we can use it. And we're going to start on this project on Saturday, probably, depending on the rain. But yeah, so anyway, we got five loads of gravel in, and so we're going to start with that. The backhoe is going to come in and it's going to dig up these broken pipes, and we're going to lay some new ones in here. And so some people made comments on that video too, and I didn't even get a chance to read them. I'm really sorry about that. I was just trying to make room on the iPad to load up videos, and yeah, I apologize again for that. But yeah, so anyway, the project is on the go, and we got some good donations so far. So, but any more would help, and let's just see how far we can get with what we got. It's kind of things are really different here than back home in Canada, let me tell you. But right here, amigo. Can you put two? Yeah. Two more? Yeah? Yes. Good. We try to help out as much as we can for that poor little village over there. Yeah. Okay. So you brought 3.
And 2 more 5.
Yeah, 5. 5 times 6. Okay. There's 3, right?
Yes.
That's 3. And shit.
If you want to pay one more and later you pay the other one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure. So there's how much is there? 1, 2, 3, 4,
yes.
5, 6.
Yes, it's.
Okay.
You want change or?
That's 6, right?
Yes.
Okay, so that's 1 more load?
Yes, and you only need to pay 1 more.
Yeah, okay.
I bring 2
Okay, awesome. Thank you, bud. Oh, and I'll keep you updated as we go along here. We don't know how long this is going to take. We're fighting with weather, and then we're fighting with, because these backhoe operators are really busy down here because there's so much construction going on everywhere. But we're hoping we can get this done maybe in a couple of weeks' time. But anyway, we'll keep you posted, and we'll start putting videos out as we go along. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.